the media that I want to talk about. I talked about this Aurifol adhesive film in a previous video, and this is a very nice wall film. What I want to talk about are these strange lines that are on the wall film. Those lines are for a Fotoba Dreamcut. Almost all of my samples are 12 by 18, and they're almost all the same. I cut 12 by 18s. Now sometimes I might cut 24 by 36s. I cut a lot of different sizes, but usually it's uniform in the same way. I'm going to make hundreds and hundreds of this same sample that I'm going to hand out at all the trade shows. And they're all 12 by 18s. I use a Fotoba for almost everything I cut that a Fotoba can cut through. I send out some of my fabrics to be laser cut, virtually all of them, but there's still a lot of fabrics that honestly, especially if they have a little weight to them, a little rigidity, a lot of the coated fabrics, that as long as they don't fray, they can go right on the Fotoba too. I would say, aside from the soft textiles, about 95% of everything that I print ends up being cut with a Fotoba Dreamcut. It's incredibly over-engineered, it's super durable, it's very accurate, and it's wicked fast. It goes through these rolls in like 15 minutes. It has slitters, and everything I set up is the same way. So they're always, in my case, 1 inch from the edge here. And then I set them out 4 across, and then send it like 100 of them at a time. And when the roll comes through, all the slitters are laid out perfectly, and it just rolls forward, slits, cut, slit, cut, slit, cut. And it stacks them up faster than we can gather them. We have them come out to a table, and I just scoop them all up. I create a giant pile. The whole thing is usually done, end to end, full roll, in less than a half an hour. It's a fantastic product. It's incredibly robust. It's very reliable. I've cut hundreds upon hundreds upon hundreds of rolls on the Fotoba. The other nice thing is I can put the Fotoba marks anywhere I am, and they're automatically built into the print. I don't have to run around finding a cut file because the cut file is integrated right into the print itself. So one of the nice things, especially trade shows and whatnot, we're always losing the cut files. The cut files get sent wherever. Not with a Fotoba. Once those lines are on there, and we put them on the same way, we just follow the same templates over and over. So for us, for my particular workflow, the Fotoba is almost perfect for what I do. It has a lot more versatility than I use it for, but that Fotoba Dreamcut is definitely the way that I plow through all of these sample prints. It's, other than some of the more elastic, softer textiles, it's doing almost everything that I need done front lit, straight up on the Fotoba Dreamcut. A critical partner of ours, very grateful for their partnership. They've been really wonderful to us and my printing workflow for a very long time, and I definitely recommend their cutters.